Hi everybody and welcome back. So in this video we will be discussing about how to install mods on Warhammer 40k Space Marine 2. Before we begin, consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done that already. Now the very first thing is simply head over to your properties for the game, and then you need to be heading over to local files. Once you are there, browse local files, and in here you are going to be applying your mods. So you can see set launch options. Eventually you're going to be setting those up and use your commands. You can use it to use preview. Eventually you can opt for different type of mods that are available for the game, and you can try that out. And once you do, you will be most probably be able to install mods on Warhammer 40k Space Marine 2. And if you find this video informative, consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.